Hello guys, good day. My name is Olusoy Ahmed. In this video section, I'll be walking you through how to run Facebook adverts on your digital store. Uh, this is the example of the digital store I'll be running a Facebook advert on. So it is called digital. This is my store, digitalsolutionshub.com. So this is the site I'll be running my adverts on. So you can see, so there are different digital products here. Can you see simple audience? So I run this site to international clients, so I don't promote it to Nigerians. Can you see, this is the address, this is my phone number, this is an American phone number, so I have a USA number, and this is the email. So everything is up and doing. So this is the site I'll be running promotion on. Okay, now before you run promotion, make sure you have a Facebook page that you want to run, and also you want to determine which country you want to run your advert to, because because countries matter. Because now for me, I promote especially to Indians, and let me give you one trick. This is the trick I use if I want to promote something to international clients. I go to this website, similarweb.com. So for example, who are my competitors? My competitors are those that are selling digital products like Udemy, like JVZoo, like Warrior Plus, like Skillshare. So they sell digital products on Commission Junction, ClickBank, stuff like that. People. So I want to know those people that are visiting the site, that are buying from the site. So let's analyze it. For example, let me check Udemy first. Udemy.com. Okay, Udemy.com. So I want to check the countries that that are frequent on Udemy that can promote you. You can promote US is also, but when you are running advert, if you don't want to spend much, US is quite expensive. Now, okay, let's see what I will do. Can you see these countries like United States? Let me close this. United States carries 18.98%. Brazil carries 11.0%. Can you see India carries 10.35%? Turkey 7%. So you can target any of these countries now. So you get, because they have the highest number of people that are buying digital products from Udemy. So you see. So let's see another site. Let's see Warrior Plus. Let's see warriorplus.com. So warriorplus.com. So let's see Warrior Plus. Let's see the countries. Can you see India is also among the countries, but Turkey is not here. So let's see that. So we are analyzing here. So now let's see jvzoo.com. jvzoo.com. Let's see jvzoo.com. So let's see another country. Okay. Can you see India is also there? Can you see? So it means India is one of the top countries that buys digital products. So let me go to clickbank.com. Let's analyze it. So that's why I normally promote to India. Okay, let's see clickbank.com. Let's see. Can you see India is also among? So can you see? So India is taking position. Now let's go to another site, which is commissionjunction.com. Okay, sorry, is this cj.com? I think it's cj.com. Yeah, cj.com. So cj.com. Let's see. That's Commission Junction. So let's see if India is among. So it means India has taken our lead. Now we're promoting to India. Now, before you do your promotion, you have to get some kind of images that you want to use for your promotion. Now the way I get my images is I go to Google Images and I type, let me say digital products. So I look for a good image. I put PNG. So we go to images. So now, what I will do is that I go to tools here, I go to usage rights, I go for labeled for your use. Okay, so it will bring out some pictures. Okay, okay, let's just see if you can. Okay, let's see. Let's see this. Okay, I'm looking for an image that will like speak what I want to sell. So okay, let's see this. No, I don't want this. Let's see this. Okay, so you have to like find some good images. Okay, okay, let me refine my search. So let me just type like software. So let's see software. So let's see software. Okay. Okay. I think I like this. Okay. Okay. If I don't want this, okay, let's see this. No, this one does not speak what I want. Okay, I can just say. I just say buying and selling. Let's see. Buying and selling. PNG. Okay, let's see if we can get some kind of good images. So okay, let's see some. Okay, let's just refine our. Let's just search for online shopping. Online shopping. So let's just search for online shopping. Let's see. Okay, I think I love this. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. I love this. So let me just save this. Save image as. So I love this. So let me just save this image as something that I will easily remember. Digital solutions. Okay, let me just save this on desktop. Okay, now I haven't saved that, so okay. Now I cannot go to my Facebook. So I go to my Facebook. Okay, I go to my Facebook. Now let me just let me go to my there is this. Where is my page? And just search digital solutions. Digital solutions up. Okay, this is it. So this is my page. So digital solutions up. So I can now post content there. So okay, I can now post content here. So write a post. Now the post you have to write, I can just come to my store here. I can use to shape your future with best courses, ebooks, and software products. So I can just copy this. So, okay, I can just copy this. Copy. So now I'll just go to my store here. So just paste this, Ctrl V. Shape your future with best courses, equal and okay. So you can just be creative enough here. Like say okay, okay, you can just say shape your future with best courses, ebooks, and software products. Okay, shape your future with latest best courses, ebooks, and latest software products. Latest software products. So you can just see we are giving out okay, only for today got any course, just for today get any product at 80% discount, or you can just put it before or after anyone. So you have to put emojis. So let's see some emojis that you can insert. So emojis, okay, let's see this. Okay, then also shape your future. So let's see this emojis. So let's see what can go along with this. Okay, let's see. Okay, shape your future with best courses, ebooks, and latest software products. Only for today, get any product at 80% discounts. At 80% discounts. So we can just place something here again. So emojis attract buyers, so they feel confidence about I don't know that it works very much. So I don't know how it connects with people's emotion. I don't know. So there's one I'm looking for here. So there's one I'm looking for here. Okay, let me just see. Okay, I think it's something curly like that. Okay, I think this. I love this. Okay, I think I love. So only for today alone, get any product at 80% discount. So yeah, I can just put another emoji. So yeah, so this one is good. Shape your future with best courses, ebooks, and latest software products. Only for today, get any product. So you can just put your link here, click here. So click here. Excuse me. Now I can just put something like arrow button. Click here. Okay, let's just put something like and. So now copy the Ctrl C. So copy it here. So you can just listen. So you can just put off this. So now let's upload our image. So let's upload our picture here. So I will just choose. Okay, so I'll just choose our picture. I think is this Digital Solutions Hub. So I'll just click on it. So shape your future with best courses, ebooks, and latest software products. Only for today, get any product at 80% discount. Click here. So can you see now? So we just publish it. Now can you see it's looking so so astonishing. So it's looking so bright. I don't know how it disconnects with the minds of people. So with me, it's looking appealing. It's really looking appealing to me. So because seeing these emojis now, you see, it connects straight with the mind of people. So it makes it looks friendly and interactive. So you get, so now what you now do is that after this, please do not do post. Please do not do that. Okay, it's not recommended. So now what now do is that I want to promote this store. So let's go to, so once you have set up everything, make sure you have your working advert accounts there. So okay, let's go to manage ads. So once you go to manage ads, so you go to advert manager. So you go to ads manager. So once you're on ads manager, so what you do is we do traffic objective. So we do traffic objective. So remember, we have copied our, let me just paste, okay, sorry. Okay, let me just paste our website here. So this is the one we are promoting. So Ctrl V. So now this, go to advert manager. So now, so we create advert. This is a new advert account. So we create adverts. So you choose the traffic objective because we are not wanting traffic objective. So you choose traffic objective now. Yeah, so we can choose, you can just name it digital solutions hub. So you click on continue. So you can just name this also digital solutions hub. Digital, can just say digital hub. So now, so you go there. So now this is where the old magic lies is. So now this, everyone in this location, click on people who live in this location. Now you now change this country from Nigeria to India because that is where you want to promote you. So you choose India. You choose India as a country. Okay, so there are about 310 million. Can you see? 310 million. So don't worry, you are still going to narrow this down. So don't worry. Now, okay, from here, so I'll choose this age option to be 25 to 45. That is my target. 25 to 45. So that's in the. I don't normally do this, but I just leave it as, I just leave it. Okay, just say leave this blank unless the audience you are targeting use a language that is not common to the location you have chosen. So I don't use this. So okay, I don't use it. Just now, all I know, like my target is men. Women don't really buy things in India. So there's about 130 million. So we are still going. Now this is the targeting option. Now from here, I'll just choose. So now I just want to tell you, but now I know what I do, what I choose when I'm targeting. Now what I want to do is I just want to choose. I just want to teach you from scratch how you can just choose your target. You want to promote online courses, courses, softwares, and everything. So you can just choose. For example, I can just choose Udemy first because so those are the people that that people welcome with when it comes to digital. So I choose this Udemy. So I choose Udemy. So I click bank. I choose click bank. So JVZoo. I choose JVZoo. Let's see. JVZoo. Okay, then maybe it's not here. So let's see Skillshare. Skills share. Okay, Skillshare. Okay, now let's see another one. CJ. Let's see CJ. Commission Junction. Commission Junction. So now, once you choose three, so Facebook can suggest to you. Can you see it's 950,000 now? So you can suggest, you can see this key share you are looking for here. Can you see? So we have Coursera, we have Code Academy, people buy okay, Shopify, e-commerce, MailChimp, email marketing. So just dropshipping, internet market outsuit, Obat Kiyasuki. Okay, let's just see one popular person, people that promote this. Let's see Neil Patel. Neil Patel is there. So let's see. Those are me softwares. Let's see Toad Gross. Let's see Toad Gross. No, those are the people that promote digital products or something. So let's just see another person. Or let's just mix online course or something. Digital. So this is where the real work lies. Digital products. Let's see digital activities. Okay, let's choose behavior digital activities. Okay, digital technology. No, let's see digital activities. Okay, let's just see digital activities. Okay, let's just okay. No, okay, this is my. Let me just remove this. So let me just go for online course, something, online learning community. This is also good. So affiliate marketing. People who are into affiliate marketing, they will need one or two courses also. So business opportunity, digital marketing. Yeah, this is also good. So Mavic 4.7 million now. Audacity, home business, affiliate network. Multi-level marketing, I don't want that. Virtual learning environment, Code Academy. Code Academy is also good. Code Academy is also good. Okay, let me just see. Okay, that is good. That is okay for now. Now from here you can just save this audience if you so wish. So I don't need to save this. Okay, let me just save this audience as digital hub. So let's just save this. So now after that, so what you do is you go to, you click on, excuse me, no, so there's something I should do before that. Okay, there's something I should do before that. Okay, now okay, I've chosen this. So I've chosen this audience. India, use a civil. Okay, now. So from here, so I click on edit placement. So I click on bots. So I just disable this instant articles. Right column here. I disable all these ones. Now Instagram, I don't need that. Audience, I don't need this. I don't need this. So I'm left with like 3.2 million, which is okay. Now from the I can edit this audience. I forgot to put engage shoppers. So let's see. I normally put this, engage shoppers. So engage shoppers. So engage shoppers. So okay, 21 potential is 21 million. So let me just remove this engage shoppers. So I don't want my 4.7 million is still okay. So let me just leave it as such. So let me just leave it as such. Now, so you click on this device. You can choose mobile if your audience is like on mobile. So if you see this now, let's see. let's just say, okay, like this on desktop, can you see desktop is 72.62%, you know. So and so we can just leave it as the two, just leave it like that. So now after that, so you click on, you come here, so you set your daily budget. Let me just set my daily budget to be 1,000. So 1,000. So can you see this is the number of reach per day? So you get this is the daily result. This is the estimated. Then start date and end date time. So I can start this March 8th, and I can end March. Let me just see this April, this March 8th, March 11th. So I'm going, like 30,000 here. I'm going to spend. Now this one you are going to optimize for what? Link clicks. Okay, leave it at link clicks. So now after that, so just click on continue. Now what you do here is that you choose the page that you want. You choose the page that you want. So yeah, digital solution SOC. So this is the page. So you can, okay, use existing post. I think we have here. You use existing post, so you can just click on this post. I said no post yet. I think we have posted. Oh, sorry. We've posted the other time. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go to our Facebook page. Let's see what actually happens though. Okay, let me just type this. Okay, let's just see if you have posted. Yes, you have posted this now. So I don't know why it's not showing there. Digital solutions, you have posted this. So let's just go back here. I don't know. So you have posted this on digital. Let's just refresh it. I don't know. Let's refresh this. Okay, so okay, this let's continue. So this is where we stopped. Let's see if it will be refreshed now. So let's see if the post is there. So I don't know why is this post not showing. Okay, you know what we do? What we do now is that we just copy, we just repost it. So this is our post here. So we just repost this. Control C. So let's just go here and create a new post. I don't know why it's not showing. So let's just paste it here. So let's just choose an image. So let's put this here. Okay, let's just choose picture. No file select. I don't know why this is doing this. So it's not just like this. I don't know. Okay, if this is the case, we'll just go to, let's just create add. So let's just create add. So let's just choose single image here. So so you can choose single image or video. So once you are done, so you can just come to image, you upload the image here. This is the image, so you upload it. Okay, think. So you can enter the text here, Control V. So can you see this is the way to look like? Can you see? Now you can enter the website URL. So we have copied that here. So Control A, Control C. So we have copied that. So you can just enter the website URL here. So you can preview your URL for confirmation purposes. So you can just preview it so that Facebook will ask you to preview because you don't know, it might break. So let's just see. Okay, we have confirmed that this is the site that we are promoting. Now what we now do is this is the headline. Can you see this digital this cost or here? No, you just remove it. So put a very captivating headline. Okay, I'll just say get 80% discounts. Only today. So get 80% discounts only today. Okay, so this will help you, so you can just only today. So I just want to get rid of this. Can you see? So you can just get rid of this one. You can just write latest. I just say latest. Sorry. Latest softwares and courses. Can you see? So you can just do something that is okay. Just be creative enough. Okay. So this is good like this. So what I would do now is that I don't need paid pixel on it, so I don't do that because this is a new account. So I can't. In my previous video, I've showed how to install Facebook pixels. So once you are done everything, just click on confirm. So you just review everything. So once you are done, so you just click on confirm. And after that, Facebook will notify you if your advert is approved or not. So if it is not approved, they will tell you that your advert has not been approved. So you have to, you have to relaunch your campaign. Okay. So now it is in review. It's going to draft now. So once it's finished publishing, so it will go to review. So after some minutes or some hours, depending, so this review will change to active. So it means your advert is now running. So guys, this is how to promote your digital store on using Facebook adverts. So I want you to guys to practice this, and also make sure you use different images, use different promotion tactics, promotion methods to see which one converts more and more. Okay guys, without wasting much of our time, I will be happy if you can try this and get back to me if you have any challenges. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. I do hope you enjoy this and make more money to your digital store on autopilot. So once you are doing this, can you see, imagine people coming to my store here, getting $7. I just changed this recently for $7. Normally it's like $29. I believe in this saying, like, okay, once your price is less, so more people buy it and get like that. So this $7. Imagine this kind of software getting this $7, page activator, $7, App Magic, Livecaster. So these are $7. Some people just let me get this for $7. If $7 times 50, that's $350. Can you see? It's money, okay, guys. So I want you to take advantage of this. And if time permits me, in my next video I can be showing you proofs of payment on this advert or something. So, but if time doesn't permit, then I will, because I don't know if Facebook has approved this, so then I can know what to do. So thank you guys. Have a lovely time. I wish you the best.